So I like using the cruise function in the new DuraDrive ground drive system. And again, we activate that by taking the handle and just moving it to the right and holding it. And then we'll go one of two set speeds, either a C1 or C2 speed, and you can determine that inside the terminal. Once you're set to that cruise speed, there's a little toggle on the front side of the handle here that when you go to the left, it's C1, and if you go to the right, it goes to your C2 speed, to where you can go to a set speed, and the machine will maintain that cruise speed and just kind of flow along with that. So if I want to slow down for a certain spot, or if I want to speed up, I just flip that toggle on the front back and forth, and that can vary my speed. Now, how does that help you out? Well, really, there's a couple ways that it's going to help you out. One, I think the best place for that is unloading on the go, to where you can tell your grain cart operator, I'm going to consistently run at this speed when I'm unloading. And that way, when you dump, you're always assured that you're going to be in the right spot. And then that way, if you need to fill the front of the cart, you bump the handle forward a little bit and then re-engage your cruise speed. And then you're at the even speed and fill in the front of the cart. And then if you need to back up and fill the back side of it, you just pull back on the handle, slow it down a little bit. Then you get the back side of the cart, and then you re-engage that cruise speed again. And that way, you're always in control of the machine. The operator and the tractor knows what you're doing. And again, it makes a really seamless unloading position. And then here, you kind of probably heard it as I was running there. You get into a spot where there may be some greener stem beans or a patch of weeds. It's a little tougher than the rest of it. Now you can just keep the handle in the same position and flip between your C1 and C2 position to be able to adjust your speed, to where if you need to slow up a little bit, let that tougher stuff work through, and then you can go ahead and push through once it works through the machine and get back to that stable harvesting speed that you're looking for. So really, again, a good functionality out of the DuraDrive ground drive system.